Welcome to our channel. Watching anime on Crunchyroll through your TV is easy with the activation code method. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV, streaming device, or gaming console and connect it to your home internet network. Step 2. Navigate to your device's app store and search for Crunchyroll using the search function. Step 3. Download and install the Crunchyroll app on your device. This typically takes just a minute. Step 4. Launch the Crunchyroll app once installation is complete. Step 5. On the main screen, select the option to log in or activate your device. An activation code will be displayed. Step 6. Keep your TV screen showing the activation code while you perform the next steps on another device. Step 7. Using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and go to crunchyroll.com. Activate. Step 8. Log in to your Crunchyroll account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, create one first. Step 9. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV into the field provided on the website. Step 10. Click the Activate or Submit button to link your TV device to your Crunchyroll account. Step 11. Your TV will automatically refresh and display your Crunchyroll library. Start streaming your favorite anime series and movies immediately with access to thousands of episodes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.